Hello, my name is Elena and I'm from Czechia. I really like this PDFW. Like all the workshops. I also like the key note speech. I liked especially the part about the 10 tips how to engage the community, how to create a community. As for the workshops, I really liked the one about speaking, public speaking, and about the tips and tricks for a good training. I really like the idea of including a conflict into a story to make your presentation more interactive or more powerful and so on. So I'm really looking forward for tomorrow for one more workshop, and I hope it will be as good as the today's ones. Good job.